Welcome to APHIS eFile. In this video, we're going to walk through how to use the Veterinary Services Permitting Assistant to discover your required regulatory documentation. You can access the VSPA and all resulting outcome letters without e-authentication. When starting your search, you have the option to add both animal products and organism and vectors to your request summary. Once you have entered all your information into the search fields, click Search. If you are searching for an organism or vector and it is not found, use the See List of Materials to view the material list. If your material is not found on the material list, click the Not Found on the Organism or Vector List checkbox. Provide the name of your commodity here. Use the attributes to narrow down your search results. We recommend that you answer all the attribute questions from top to bottom. Use the tooltips if you need assistance selecting your attributes. For animal products, you have the option to add a material which is for bulk or single ingredient commodities. You also have the option to create a product ingredient list, which is for products with multiple animal origin ingredients. The VS Permitting Assistant will automatically sort items you select into the appropriate applications. Adding all your materials to a single summary may save time with your permit application. To add a single material to your request summary, click the Add Material button. You can also remove single materials from your request summary by clicking the Remove Material button. You can create a product ingredient list by selecting the View My Product Ingredient List drop-down and clicking Create a Product Ingredient List. If you have not already created a product ingredient list, you can create one by selecting the Create a Product Ingredient List button on the material card. When creating a product ingredient list, you will enter a product name for your product ingredient list and click Create Product. Once the ingredient list has been created, the material you created the list from will automatically be added. After adding all your materials, click the shopping cart icon or View Summary button to proceed. The summary page will show you a summary of all the applications, letters, and certificates. It is recommended for you to read the Documentation Required section before applying for the 16.3 application. If a permit is required, click Proceed to Applications. If you are not logged into your e-authentication account, you will not see Proceed to Applications and will be prompted to log in by selecting Proceed to Login.